19, 18, 17, 14. Hey, what's up guys? Imran here, Monster Gadgets. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you might be. Thank you so much for joining me. And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing, setting up the AirTags. We're going to use this Belkin secured keyring holder, and we're going to go ahead and put this on my 11-month-old German Shepherd dog. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, welcome back. So first, let's go ahead and do an unboxing of the AirTag. It comes in this little packaging here, so it's an AirTag. It's blank on the top, right, and bottom pretty much. And then this is the single pack, which I got for $29. You can buy a combination pack, which has 4 for $100. But I first wanted to try it out and see how well it works before I decide to buy more, if I need to buy more. So it does require iOS device, of course. Make sure if you're using it on your iPhone, you've got 14.5 updated, so that way it can go ahead and support your setup process. All right, let's go ahead and open this up towards the bottom. So let's go ahead and take that off, just like that. And then open this up. You've got instructions, liability, safety and handling, regulatory. We'll put that aside. Here are the AirTags. Open this up. Update, install iOS or iPadOS. Turn on Bluetooth and then pull tab. Okay. And then hold near device and follow on-screen instructions. It says about 2 inches from your phone and have Find Me. So let's go ahead and unlock this. Here's my phone. Let's take out this AirTag. It's basically sitting with a little bit of adhesive. Here's what it looks like before I take the protective film off. So let's go ahead and pull this off. That. And here is the tab they're talking about. So I think when you pull that tab, it basically activates it. So let's go ahead and pull on it. Oh, it made a little sound, and of course it detected it, so now it's saying AirTag. Let's go ahead and connect that. Name your AirTag. Backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphone. Is dog on here? Let's see, we'll call it custom name. Continue. My dog's name is Zoe, so we'll go ahead and put Zoe on here. Continue. Select an emoji to represent the AirTag. Let's search for puppy. There we go. Continue. Register your AirTag to your Apple ID. That's my phone number and my Apple ID number, so I'm going to continue that. Zoe setting up. Made a little sound again. Precision finding. When AirTag is nearby, an arrow will point to its precise location. Play sound and directions in map. So view and find my app. Let's take a look where it's at. I've got other devices on here. For security purposes, I'm gonna blur this out so you guys don't know, but right now it is detecting the proper location, which is good. Play sound, which is off. You can say find nearby, so let's play sound. That's pretty loud. Let's see what it looks like. And let me play it again. That is a pretty loud sound. I like that. That's pretty cool. It's probably gonna make my dog go crazy if it's on the collar and this thing kind of starts basically making noises. But that's it. It's set up to go. So let's put this aside for a second and unbox the Belkin Secure Ring Holder. This is what this looks like. And this I got for $12.95. This is from Apple, so you can buy it directly off their website, which is cool. Let's go ahead and open this up. Box is empty. This this is what it looks like. So let's open this up here. The top shelf, bottom shelf, and the keyring. Now, I am probably not going to need the keyring just because I already have, and I'll show you guys on my dog's collar. So it looks like you basically put this in here and then you secure it with the top, just like that. So with the front view camera, let me show you. Here's the top, or the back, I'm sorry. Put the AirTag in between it, and then you cover this up with the shell. Just like line it up and push in, I believe. And you guys can probably hear my dog in the background. So just like that. Let's see, let's try this again. Click, click, click. It's in there pretty secure. This is what it looks like in the Belkin holder. And I'm simply going to attach this onto her collar that already has her name tag in it. So again, I'm not going to use this keyring for it, but this, of course, you can put in there and use it as a keyring. So now let's go ahead and let me go get her collar and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so here's the collar that I have for my dog. This is what it looks like, normal dog collar. Here is her tag with her name on it, which a lot of people say you shouldn't put the dog's name on it, which I did. The back actually has my contact information on it, so if she ever got away, people can call me. But here is what the AirTag looks like. It's pretty minimal. I mean, it's pretty much the same size as my name tag, just a little bit rounder. So I'm not gonna go put this on her right now, but I'm gonna go put this somewhere so we can go ahead and try to find the collar and see how well it works, especially with the precision finding. Obviously, we're not gonna need the precision finding for her, but if you were to put this in your purse or someplace else like that, I'm curious to see how well the precision finding works, where it's supposed to tell you like hotter or colder, how many feet you're away from it. So let's put that to the test. All right, so let's take a look and see how well this actually works. So I am in my Find Me app, and I made this a little bit bigger just so that it hides the map for security reasons, as you can imagine. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Find Nearby. It says connected, signal is weak, try moving to a different location. All right, let's move a little bit closer. "25 feet, that's what it's saying right now. 25 feet to your left, 24 feet. 22, getting warmer, getting warmer. "5 feet to your left, 4, 3, 2, 1. I say that works pretty well. It's right there. And right now my phone is like vibrating. Let's see if you make it closer. There it is, you're here. It worked. Let's see, it looks like you can also make it sound. So I wonder if you are, let's see, if I move further away, even if it's like 2 feet away, if I make it sound. Yeah, so not only can you actually use the sound feature to help you get closer, but this is pretty accurate in regards to telling you how far you are away from it. So let's do another test real quick. All right, so this will be test number 2. Now I'm actually indoors. Zoe wants to know what's going on. She's waiting. But let's go ahead and do this test. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Find again. And 29 feet away. Ahead to your right. All right, let's go ahead to my right. 23 feet ahead. 19, 18, 17, 14. So far, I'm gonna turn this way just to see what it does. Yep, it's telling us the right direction. 6 feet ahead. Nearby, it's actually my phone's vibrating. Let's go ahead. And there it is. It's here. I'd say that works really well. I love the fact that it actually tells you the direction of which way it's going, so if you're nearby, you can go ahead and basically follow the direction that it's giving you and get to your device. That is pretty cool.
Alright, for those of you that haven't seen Zoe before, this is my 11-month-old German Shepherd. So we got the collar on her. You guys can see here is her AirTag. So I'm curious to see how well this will hold up with her running around and doing stuff. So I'll certainly give you guys an update. If you're not following me on Twitter, and actually just started my TikTok account as well, so make sure you go follow me there, as well as Instagram, and I will be sure to update you all on how well this holds up. Just dropped my daughter off at the bus stop, so she's a bit excited about trying to get to her. Zoe, hey, Zoe, sit, come here, girl. Hey, good girl, yes, good girl. Good girl, Zoe. Good girl. Alright guys, there's a bus. She's patiently waiting now. Zoe, you wanna go inside? Heel. Good girl.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Go down in the comment section, let me know if you are going to be using AirTag yourself and what you're going to be exactly tracking. I would love to know what you guys will be using it for. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.